They ask us to reconstruct the beginning of this Bach cantata for what concerns the oboe parts. So in this striped long fragment here, we have all the rest of the orchestra, the violins, viola, and then the continuo and the horn. And so all we have to do is, but first of all, let's listen to this. Very good. So all we have to do is to take these little bits and to put them in place, and this is really easy if we notice that they are in the right order. So there hasn't been any shuffling here and no randomness. They are already in the right order. You just have to pay attention to repetitions because some fragments are repeated twice, but that's not that hard. And it's also easy if you consider the two columns and the colors of these two columns. The second one looks like a darkened version of the first one, and this is because this is the oboe 1 and this is the oboe 2 doing almost the same thing. Well, almost means that this instrument does the same part but a bit lower, so a third lower to be exact. And the movement, the melodic profile is exactly the same. It just a bit lower, as I said. So the answer to the question is there any relationship between the two of them, and which one? Yes, there is one, and this is the reason why we put this example, this piece, in the examples of variation of thickness. Because if you consider just one oboe part, like this, the first fragment is repeated twice. Okay, let's do it. The thickness is not so big, so it's not so impressive. But if you put the other one, you have an increase in this. Yeah, I would call this thickness. I think it's the more appropriate word to describe this increase in it's not volume. It's bigger. Yeah, it's bigger. The melodic line. Let's listen to this all together. Oh, sorry, buffering problem again. Very good. So all we have to do is just to complete this dragging and dropping fragments. This is the same structure, so you have twice the small yellow and then the orange, and again twice this rose and then this one, and then the final fragment which is longer to end all this. And then we increase the thickness, as we said, multiple times by adding the second oboe there, and with the same colors. I forgot this one. Yeah, let's put this in place. And the last one there. Let's just check if everything is okay, and it is.